This is a pain point that I've been experiencing for a while in Google Search Console that I am looking for some sort of resolution. So, since we have the proliferation of all these AI platforms, I'm going to ask Google Gemini how to solve this issue I'm experiencing on weightloss.com.jm, where it says some fixes failed for the page indexing issues on the on weightloss.com.jm. And if we go to the issues that failed, it's a page redirect. The pages aren't indexed or served on Google. However, if you look at the details, this is the weightloss.com.jm blogs. If I go to that page over here, I'm not sure you're still seeing this. So when I go to it, it goes to blogs pages. So I'm not sure why this is an issue. However, I asked Gemini over here, how do I fix some fixes fail for page indexing issues on site? Let's see what Gemini says. Some fixes fail message in Google Search Console is essentially Google's way of saying, I went back to check on those homework corrections you mentioned and still found errors. When you click Validate Fix, Google crawls a few sample URLs from your list. If it finds even one page that it still has the original issue, the entire validation process stops and switches to failed. Really? Here's how to troubleshoot and fix this for weightloss.com.jm. Identify the specific failure. You need to know which issue failed, as page indexing issue is just a category. In Search Console, go to Indexing, Pages, look for the table below the graph, click on the specific row that says Validation Failed. I wonder if I can split screen. Can I split screen? Let's do this. Are you still there, Peter? Not sure. But I think this is it. Go back. No. Here it is. Okay. Here we are. So it says here, indexing pages. Look for the table below the graph. Indexing. Look for the table below the graph. Click on the specific row that says validation failed. Okay. Then drill down to the failed URLs. Oh, you want to get out of the way, sir? That's pretty cool. Here, so drill down to the failed URLs. Once you click on the issue, look for the validation section. Click see details. Oh, I'm already here. So click, let's come over here, see details. Google will show you a list of URLs. Look for the one marked failed. It's the one that failed. These are the specific culprits that blocked your fix from being approved. Oh, use the URL inspection tool. URL inspection tool. Oh, use your URL inspection tool. Pick one of the failed URLs and paste it into the search bar. Top of Search Console. Click Test Live URL. This is crucial. It checks the page right now, not the old version Google has in its memory. Click the page availability section. If the canonical issue does user declared canonical match the Google selected canonical, I can inspect URL here, and here it is, logs, enter, test the live URL. Okay, yeah, because what I would do, I would just say request a new indexing, and then it detects that nothing was done, so it fails it again. Everything is green. So request indexing. Caching issues, partial fixes, junk URLs created on the site, like query equals strings or category tags, redirect chains, fix a specific URL flagged. Well, it looks good, so I'm going to request indexing. Submitting request. So this is a new request. Now I can dismiss that. And then go back to view the issue, see the details. That's the one. Now you can start a new validation. You can mark that as red. And that's it. You'll see if it comes back with that.